Hello everyone! Welcome back to another video for your English Vocab Listening Practice channel. In today's story, we are going to hear a very natural conversation inside a beautiful kitchen. Two friends, Ken and Mina, are gathering in the kitchen and they are about to cook a fresh meal together for the very first time. You will hear them talk about different parts of the kitchen, choose their favorite cooking tools, and even learn how to prepare healthy vegetables safely. The English used here is simple, slow, and very friendly, so please just relax and enjoy the story. I have a little question for you to think about. What specific kitchen tool is inside the drawer? If you find the answer, please share it in the comments below. Writing your answer in English is a wonderful way to practice and improve your skills every day. All right, let's get the story started. Are you ready to listen? Great, let's begin.
Wow, Mina, your kitchen is so beautiful. It is very clean, too.
Thank you, Ken. Welcome to my kitchen. I like to keep it clean. It makes cooking very easy.
I can see that. Everything looks so neat. My kitchen at home is, well, it is a little messy.
That is okay. You can learn to organize here. Let me show you around. Look over here. This is the table. This is where I eat my meals every day.
It's a nice table. It has enough space for 2 people or even more.
Yes, we will eat our lunch here later. And over there, next to the window, is the sink. I use the sink for washing vegetables, and of course, for washing dishes and cups.
The sink is very big. And what is that next to the sink? Is that the stove?
Yes, that is the gas stove. I use the stove for cooking hot food. And right next to the stove is the big white fridge. The fridge keeps all my food cold and fresh.
Wow, you have everything. I see the table, the sink, the stove, and the fridge. You must cook a lot.
I do. I cook every single day. I love making fresh meals. Do you cook often at home, Ken?
Honestly, no. I do not cook often. I usually buy fast food or order delivery. Cooking feels a bit difficult for me.
Don't worry about that. Cooking is not difficult when you know what to do. Today, I promise I will teach you. We can make something simple and delicious together.
Really? That sounds wonderful, Mina. But what are we going to make and where do we start?
We're going to make a simple, healthy vegetable stir-fry. But before we start cooking, we need to gather our tools.
Okay, great. What kind of tools do we need?
Well, first, we need something to cut the vegetables. Can you look in that big drawer under the counter?
Sure, let me open it. Ah, yes, here it is. The knife is in the drawer. Wow, this knife looks very sharp, Mina.
Yes, it is a very good knife. Please be careful with it, Ken. A sharp knife is important for cooking, but you must use it safely. Take your time.
I will. I will be very careful. What else do we need from the drawer?
We need the cutting board too. It's right next to the drawer, leaning against the wall. We use the cutting board as a surface so we don't damage the counter.
Got it. Here is the cutting board. So now we have the knife and the cutting board. Are we ready to cut?
Almost. We also need a big bowl to hold the vegetables after we cut them. The bowls are in the cupboard above the sink.
Let me check. Oh, yes, I see them. Here is a big ceramic bowl.
Perfect. And grab a large spoon from the drawer too. We will use the spoon for mixing everything together later.
Okay, I have the spoon now. So let me check our tools. We have the knife, the cutting board, the bowl, and the spoon.
Great job, Ken. See, Organization helps make cooking much easier. When you have all your tools ready, you don't have to look for things while you cook.
That makes sense. I usually lose things in my messy kitchen. But now that we have all our tools, what are we going to cut first?
First, we need to prepare the vegetables. I have some fresh vegetables right here from the fridge. See? We have an orange carrot, a brown onion, and a big red tomato.
They look very fresh. The carrot is very bright. Where should I start?
Let's start with the carrot. Place the carrot on the cutting board. Remember, use the knife carefully. Carrots are hard, so they should be cut into small, thin pieces.
Okay, let me try. Like this? Wow, cutting a carrot takes some energy.
Yes, you are doing great. Take your time. Small pieces are good because they cook faster.
Perfect. The carrot is finished. Now, what about the onion?
Ah, the onion. Be careful with this one. Onions sometimes make people cry when they cut them.
Wait, really? Cry? Why do they make people cry?
It's just a natural gas inside the onion. When you cut it, the gas gets into the air. Just cut it quickly, but carefully, into medium pieces.
Oh, wow. I can feel it already. My eyes are a little watery. Sniff, sniff. But I'm almost done. There, the onion is cut.
Great job! Put the carrot pieces and the onion pieces inside the big bowl. Now, the last one is the tomato.
The tomato is very soft compared to the carrot. Should I cut the tomato into small pieces too?
No, let's cut the tomato into larger pieces. Tomatoes have a lot of water. If you cut them too small, they will become soft, like soup, when we cook them.
That makes sense. Large pieces for the tomato. Okay, look at that. The bowl looks so beautiful now with the orange carrot, the white onion, and the red tomato. It's a very colorful mixture.
It looks beautiful, Ken. You are a natural. By the way, do you think a tomato is a fruit or a vegetable?
That's a good question. It's red and sweet, so maybe it's a fruit. But we use it for cooking meals, so maybe it's a vegetable. What do you think, Mina?
Scientifically, it is a fruit because it has seeds. But in the kitchen, we treat it like a vegetable. So both answers are a little bit right.
That is interesting. A fruit that acts like a vegetable.
Exactly. Now our colorful mixture is ready in the bowl. It is time to learn about the cooking equipment.
Great. I see two different things next to the stove. There's a flat, round one and a very deep one. What are they called?
The flat, round one is a pan. We use a pan for cooking eggs, vegetables, and meat because heat covers the flat surface quickly. The deep one is a pot. We use a pot for making soup, boiling pasta, or boiling water.
Ah, okay. So a pan is flat and a pot is deep. Today we are making a vegetable stir-fry, so we should use the pan, right?
Perfect. That is exactly right. Let's pick up the pan and place it on the stove.
Okay, the pan is on the stove. How do we turn it on?
Just press and turn this knob on the gas stove. Click. See the blue flame? Now the gas stove is on and the pan is heating up.
Wow, it gets hot very quickly. Should we put the vegetables in now?
Yes, carefully pour the mixture from the bowl into the hot pan.
Oh, listen to that sound. It smells amazing already.
Now take the big spoon. You need to stir the vegetables while they cook so they do not burn. Keep moving them around the pan.
Like this? This is actually very fun. I'm stirring the carrots, the onions, and the tomatoes together.
You're doing a wonderful job, Ken. The vegetables are softening up and the colors look great. Just a few more minutes of stirring and our meal will be ready.
I can't believe it. I'm actually cooking. But look around us, Mina. We made a little bit of a mess on the counter while preparing everything.
You are right, Ken. The counter is a bit messy, but don't worry, that is part of cooking. We can clean the kitchen together while the food cools down a little.
Teamwork. I like that. What should we do first?
Let's move to the sink. First, we need to wash the things we used. We have the big bowl and the cutting board.
Okay, I can do that. I see the dish soap here. Do I use hot water or cold water?
Use warm water. Turn the faucet handle to the middle. Warm water and dish soap make it very easy to clean off any leftover oil or vegetable pieces.
Wow, you are right. The soap makes a lot of bubbles, and the cutting board is clean already. Washing dishes is actually much easier than I expected.
See? It is not so bad when you do it right away. Now, while you finish washing the bowl, I will clean the table and the stove.
Sounds good. What are you using to clean the table?
I'm using a clean, wet cloth. I just wipe the table to remove any dust, and then I wipe the stove carefully to get rid of any little splashes from the pan.
Teamwork makes the work go fast. Look, the sink is empty now. The bowl and cutting board are clean, and the table and stove look perfect.
Great job, Ken! A clean kitchen makes the food taste even better. Now the kitchen is beautiful again, and our vegetable stir-fry is ready. Let's get some forks and sit down at the table.
I'm so hungry. I can't wait to try the food we prepared together.
Here are 2 forks, Ken. Let's sit down here at the table and enjoy our lunch.
Wow, Mina, this smells absolutely incredible. Let me take a bite. Wow, this is delicious. The carrots are sweet, and the tomatoes made a beautiful sauce.
I am so glad you like it. You did a fantastic job cutting the vegetables and stirring them in the pan. You should be proud of yourself.
Thank you, Mina. Honestly, I feel much more confident now. Before today, I was afraid of using a sharp knife, but you showed me how to take my time and be safe.
That is the secret to cooking. Practice makes you comfortable. You used the cutting board perfectly, and you controlled the heat on the stove like a professional.
I don't know about professional, but I really enjoyed it. Even washing the dishes at the sink together was fun. It's nice to work as a team.
It really is. I had a great time cooking with you today. Thank you for all your help cleaning up too.
Anytime. So, what are we going to cook next time?
Well, we used the pan today. Next time, let's make a delicious Italian pasta. That way, we can use the deep pot to boil the water and the pasta.
That sounds amazing. Pasta is my favorite. I can't wait to learn how to use the pot.
It's a deal. Next time, we make pasta. But for now, let's finish this wonderful meal we created together. Cheers to your first cooking lesson.
Cheers, Mina. Thank you so much.
How was that? I hope you enjoyed our kitchen cooking story in London. I really hope this story helped you feel more comfortable with English and helped you learn some useful phrases. Now, let's look at the question from the beginning one more time. Do you remember? What kitchen tool is inside the drawer?
Did you hear the answer in the conversation? If you did, please go ahead and write your answer in the comments section. Practicing your English by writing is one of the best ways to improve quickly. On this channel, I share many stories in slow and easy English with phrases you can use every day. I will keep making videos like this for you, so if you liked this one, please subscribe to our channel. And please, don't forget to give this video a like and leave a friendly comment. I also recently started Super Thanks. If you'd like to support the channel, I would truly appreciate your kindness. All right. That is all for today. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day and see you next time. Bye-bye.